Hello everyone, I'm Sunrise When the Salmon Come. My borrowed name is Cheryl Chapman and I'm from the Soda Creek Indian Band. And it's good to be here in Barkerville and sharing an original people's perspective on the gold rush and the impacts on the Aboriginal Indian people that lived here and in the area, and those that traveled here to Barkerville during the gold rush. And I here at Barkerville represent my great-grandmother Lucy Charlie, who came to the area from Lillooet, from Teetkit territory, Mile O on the Gold Rush Trail. So I made my journey from Mile O to Barkerville to share her story and the history about the Shuswap, as well as the Statlium and the carrier here in the territory. And it's wonderful to finally be here in Barkerville and sharing that part of the history. So it's parts of the story are not only about Lucy Charlie and Bill and Jim Sellers, but also about the Dene and Shuswap people that share this territory, the Simpcw First Nation, as well as Hatsuth and the Latako Dene and Klaitlin Dene people. And our history in this area around hunting and gathering and fishing and the help that we provided to the people that came during the gold rush. Many of them arrived later in the year, about this time. It's fall here in Barkerville, and they arrived here and didn't necessarily have as many of the provisions as they should have when they got here, and the Indian people that lived here were here to assist them and kept them alive and probably helped them find the great yellow rocks that they were after. And so it's been an interesting journey for me, which started back in 1995 with the Hatsuth Heritage Village and the investigation around our family's history here in Barkerville and the eventual inclusion of the Indian story here. And I've just really enjoyed taking on this challenge, and we hope to be here for many years to come.